Hello, I'm Ido from DagsHub. Today, we're going to learn how to upload data to DagsHub. Uploading data is the first step in our ML workflow. It's going to enable us to have an easily accessible backup of our data, easily share it and collaborate with others, to use the DagsHub client to easily train our data, run experiments on it, annotate it, and much more. We're going to head to DagsHub, to the repository we just created. This is a blank repository, and we can scroll down and see the Get Started with Data section in our empty repository. I'm gonna use the help of the snippet that is here. I'm gonna open my terminal, and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this first line and install DagsHub. Alright, now I'm gonna upload my data, so I'm gonna use this second snippet. I'm gonna run DagsHub upload -- bucket. The -- bucket basically means the data we're uploading, we're going to upload it directly to our DagsHub storage bucket, which is a little bit faster. And we're not going to use the DVC versioning. I'm going to write the name, my username, and my repository name. I'm going to find the path to my data, which is desktop, my awesome dataset. And then I'm going to choose a target folder, which is going to be data in DagsHub. I'm going to hit enter and wait for my files to upload. All right, we see the upload is finished, so we can head back to our repository. We're going to hit refresh, and we see the DagsHub storage bucket appears here. I can click here, we see the data folder, and we see whatever is inside. I'm going to navigate into the folder and click Create Dataset. And now I can browse my data easily, enrich it with metadata, query it, label it, and more. In this video, I assumed your data is local. If you wish to connect data from an external source or version it with DVC, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.